Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce utility bills with PG&E. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To reduce your utility bills with PG&E, start by logging into your PG&E account online. Once logged in, navigate to the Energy Savings section. Here, you'll find a variety of resources designed to help you save energy. Next, check for energy efficiency programs available in your area. These programs often include rebates for energy-efficient appliances. You can also find tips on how to make your home more energy efficient. Consider scheduling a free home energy audit through PG&E. An energy auditor will provide personalized recommendations for your home. Next, review your current energy consumption on your account dashboard. Look for patterns or peak usage times that can be improved. After identifying these patterns, set energy-saving goals for yourself. Implement small changes, such as replacing incandescent bulbs with LED lights. Also, consider using smart power strips for electronics. These can help reduce phantom energy usage when devices are not in use. Adjust your thermostat settings, even by 1 degree, to save on heating and cooling. During the summer, keep blinds closed to reduce cooling costs. In winter, open them during the day to let sunlight warm your home naturally. Finally, pay attention to your billing statements for any savings offered. Consider enrolling in budget billing to manage costs more predictably. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce your utility bills with PG&E. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.